Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English. I'm Emily, and today we're talking about something everyone loves, movies and TV shows.
Oh, I love this topic. I could talk about movies all day, Emily.
I know, it's one of the best ways to relax, and also, believe it or not, one of the best ways to learn English.
Really? Watching movies helps you learn English?
Absolutely. When you watch English movies or TV shows, you hear how real people talk, their tone, expressions, and even slang.
That makes sense. I remember watching Friends, and I picked up phrases like, "How you doing?"
Yes, that's a classic one. TV shows like Friends, The Office, or Modern Family are great for learning everyday English.
But sometimes I find it hard to understand everything they say. They talk so fast.
That's totally normal. When you're just starting out, try watching with subtitles in English. That way, you can listen and read at the same time.
Oh, so English subtitles, not my language subtitles.
Exactly. If you use subtitles in your own language, your brain will focus on reading translation instead of learning English. English subtitles train your ears and your eyes together.
That's smart. So maybe I can start with easy shows first?
Yes. Start with something simple. Animated movies, for example, are great, like Toy Story or Finding Nemo. The language is clear and friendly.
You know, sometimes I try to repeat what they say, like copying the actor's voice. Is that helpful?
That's an amazing habit, Paul. It's called shadowing, repeating right after the speaker. It helps you improve pronunciation and rhythm.
So if I hear, "I'm gonna go now," I should say it out loud the same way?
Exactly. And notice how people say things in real life. I'm going to becomes I'm gonna. Movies teach you these natural sounds.
Oh, so I shouldn't worry too much about grammar when I'm watching, right?
Right. Don't focus on grammar while watching. Just listen, enjoy, and repeat what you hear naturally.
Do you have a favorite movie to recommend for English learners?
Yes! My top three are 1. The Intern, great for office and business English. 2. The Pursuit of Happiness, full of emotion and everyday phrases. And 3. Paddington, easy to understand and super heartwarming.
Nice list. I've seen The Pursuit of Happiness. It was so emotional. And I remember the line, "Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something."
Exactly. Movies like that teach more than English. They teach life lessons.
That's true. And when I watch a movie in English, I feel like I'm not just studying, I'm enjoying myself too.
That's the secret. When you enjoy learning, you learn faster.
So, to sum up, watch movies you enjoy, use English subtitles, repeat what you hear, and don't stress too much about understanding everything.
Perfect summary, Paul. And remember, even if you understand only 50% at first, that's progress. Next time, it'll be 60%, then 70%.
Wow, I like that. Step by step.
Exactly. Learning English is like watching a long TV series. You don't need to understand every episode perfectly. Just keep watching.
That's a great way to put it.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite English movie or TV show?
Yeah, maybe we'll talk about your picks next time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.